Buckminsterfullerenes are molecules that are of different sizes and shapes, and these are composed entirely of carbon. Depending upon their orientation, the arrangement of these molecules can lead to different formations. For example, they can take up a form of a hollow sphere, an ellipsoid, or a tube. Now, these fullerenes are formed when vaporized carbon condenses in an atmosphere of inert gas. Robert F. Curl, Harold W. Crato, and Richard E. Smalley in the year 1985 have discovered this molecule. Now, these structures resemble them of the geodesic structures that were once devised by the famous scientist and architect Richard Buckminster Bucky Fuller. Interestingly, these three scientists have won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the year 1996. Buckminsterfullerenes in the spherical structure are also called as buckyballs. Now, these Buckminsterfullerenes consist nearly spherical 60C molecules that are in the shape of a soccer ball. And this soccer ball shaped structure consists of 12 pentagonal and 20 hexagonal faces on it. Each carbon atom in these molecules consists sp2 hybridized orbitals. And interestingly, these molecules have a potential medical use. Like they can be used as antibiotics to resist bacteria and even detect a few cancer cells like melanoma. Just like Buckminsterfullerenes, nanotubes are an allotropic formation of carbon elements. In the year 1991, Japanese physicist Sumio Lijima discovered these molecules. Now, these molecules contain hexagonal arrays that are made up of covalently bonded carbon atoms, just like the sheets of graphite. But unlike the flat sheets in graphite, the sheets in nanotube are rolled into a cylindrical form, and thus they are called as nanotubes. And just like the graphite sheets, nanotubes are also electrical conductors and can be used as metallic wires. In integrated circuits, nanotubes are used instead of copper to connect the components together. Further, scientists have induced biomolecules into nanotubes so that they can form a single cell. So what have we learned today? We have learned about Buckminsterfullerenes and nanotubes. Until next time, happy learning!